Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. Learn from zero. Today, we're waiting at the bus stop, and we'll learn how to ask for directions and ask the time in English. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and speak up every day.
Sounds great, Anna. I always get nervous when I need to ask for directions in English.
Don't worry. Today, we'll practice together, step by step. Ready?
Ready. Anna, how do I ask where the bus goes?
Easy. You can say, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?" Try it.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Is this the right bus to the shopping mall?"
Oh, like when I'm not sure if I'm at the right stop?
Exactly. Always start politely with, "Excuse me." That's very natural.
What if I want to ask someone where the bus stop is?
Then say, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?"
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Great. Remember to use your smile. It helps a lot when asking for help.
Good tip, Anna. What about if I want to thank them?
You can say, "Thank you so much," or "Thanks for your help."
Thanks for your help. Easy. Sometimes I also want to know what time the bus comes.
That's another great question. You can say, "Excuse me, what time does the bus arrive?" Or, "When is the next bus?"
When is the next bus? I like that one. Short and simple.
And if someone asks you the time, you can answer like this. "It's 10:30. It's 7:15. It's almost noon."
A quarter past means 15 minutes, right?
Exactly. 7:15 means 7:15. 7:45 means 7:45.
Got it. That's tricky but fun.
You can also say, "The bus comes at 8:30.
So, that's 8:30, right?
Correct. You're getting better and better, John.
Okay, let's do a short role play. I'll be a tourist and you're the local person. Ready?
Sure.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?
Yes, it does. The museum is the last stop.
Great. And do you know what time the next bus comes?
It comes at 10:15.
Wow, perfect answer. Now let's switch.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner, next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Amazing work today, John. We learned how to ask for directions, ask for the time, and reply politely.
Yeah, it's not so scary now.
Exactly. Just remember to smile and speak slowly. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Where do you take the bus every day? See you next time, and remember to speak up every day.
Bye, everyone.